Andito po tayo sa Motivation Arena for the start of set number 4. Ateneo ahead 2-1. Let's look at some numbers, Mosey. Tell me, how did Ateneo maintain their momentum from set number 2?
You know, actually, dito sa set number 3, no? Just 2 more attack points for Ateneo, 10-8. Block points, doon bumawi Ateneo, 3-2.
Okay.
Diba? Kasi kanina, no block points for Ateneo. And ito rin, this is one of the biggest factors there, yung service aces sa Ateneo. They had 4 in that set, and LaSalle having 2 also. But LaSalle, once again, having more errors, 8-4.
All of the service aces of Ateneo came in that set.
Oo, dahil wala sila. 0 sila no first 2 sets.
Now, LaSalle with a 2-1 lead. Demicilio serving. Morado sends it to the other side. Macandili sets it up for D. That is in.
Kim D getting that point. Look at her go. Nilagyan pa ng konting
angulo. Bahagyan lang. Boom Gonzalez, Mosey Ravenna, Laura Lehman, Janine Choi for ABS-CBN Sports. And this Ateneo LaSalle round number 2. Ateneo looking to avoid a sweep in the elimination against their arch rivals, something that hasn't happened since season 75.
Oh, great dive by Macandili.
And LaSalle gets that point.
That's right. Credit half that point to Don Macandili on saving that first ball. Galing ng pagkakasave niya. She's able to save that first ball. That's why LaSalle was still able to run their play.
Really incredible libero for LaSalle.
Oh, and
somebody touched it. That'll be called on Baron, I think. So the point goes to Ateneo. Lead is down to 2. Coaches Tai and Coach Ramil have used Gaston and Tiamzon respectively. Denot sends it to the other side for a free ball. Chance ball, taken advantage by Baron as she puts that one away.
Once again, Majoy Baron. Another solid hit.
Look at that. Patong na patong sa bola.
Hindi talaga pwedeng isang blocker lang for Majoy. She can go right side, left side. Oh, but low serve.
That is their 13th service error of the match. Ateneo has 3 so far.
It's the department where si Coach Ramil is really risking it. Diba? Parang, kasi doon nga nila tinalo yung Ateneo in the first match. So, tama naman.
Why not, diba? That's in! Wow, what a spot for Aragala. We haven't heard from her in a while. Mosey, kanina pa na yung banggit natin sa kanya.
And again, going cross-court this time, the long route and getting the corner.
That is tough to do.
Yeah.
That is a skill. Ateneo behind by 3. Valdez from the back line.
Oh, and that's why.
Let's go to Laura Lehman real quick.
Boom and Mosey, this game is neck and neck, but one of the best and biggest differences for the Lady Eagles today is their floor defense. The receiving patterns and rotations are working better than usual, but more importantly than that, they are really committing themselves to the ball. If there is a ball running off course, then they are diving for it. Now this may also be because the girls feel relieved of a lot of pressure. They don't have a winning streak to look out for, and having lost the last Ateneo LaSalle game, they are also somewhat of the underdogs. But whatever the case, they are happy, they're in control, and hopefully this lasts them.
And they're looking for their 6th straight win and looking to defeat LaSalle for the first time in the second round. LaSalle has not lost in the second round. And Ateneo wants to be the one to do that. And yes, their receiving has improved from game number 1, but there's still a little bit of problems every now and then. And right now, Coach Ramil is livid at the sideline for something. And they lose this point. I don't know what is he mad at, if it's to his player or sa referee ba. He's looking at the official, so it looks like
Yep. Ano ba yun? Non-call? That was safe. That was
I
good.
don't know if it was that.
Oo.
Parang maaga pa kanina sa rally. Getting frustrated and looking at referee number 1, first referee, Jeff Lopez. All right, let's go to Janine Choi real quick.
You know, Boom and Moji, for Coach Ramil, committing errors is tolerable and acceptable for as long as they know the mistakes that they have committed. It's also important that they always stay alert so that they can anticipate how else they can contribute to the team. Earlier, Coach told the girls that they all know the responsibility and role. That is why they should commit to doing it right. Coming into the set, Coach challenged the girls to step up and show how they play VLSU volleyball. That's all for now from De La Salle side.
Thank you very much, Janine. Your team is still ahead by 1, 7-6. Make that 8-6. We go to the technical timeout. 2-point lead for the Lady Spikers. Let's look at this last play. Amy Ahumiro. First the block,
Napawian
and
din.
then
Oh,
the block
after.
back is what I wanted to say.
And this is why you like watching a game between these two teams.
Two high caliber teams.
Oh, eh.
Palitan lang.
Palitan at
Palitan
saka
din ang error.
ganun din.
8-6 is now 8-7 rather, because of that service error, which is their 14th of the match. That might tell at the end.
Pag ganito naman talagang level ng game, yung mga errors na yan, like, yung effect niya iba eh. It's different. You will really feel it.
Free ball, chance ball. Makadili, inihatid kay Fajardo. At kaya naman, ang ganda ng setup. The piston play, Reyes and Demicilio finishing it off.
That's right. And Demicilio getting the tail end of this play. Nabasa naman sana na Ateneo. Kaya Amy was a bit away from the net.
9-7. Asal down a set.
Nice serve.
Tan. Hinawi. Almost the same play.
And ang ganda nung cut shot ni Maraguinot. I mean, going for that differential play, hindi basta-basta lang placement hit. Look at her go for that shot.
And again, she was going left. The angle was going right. Maraguinot with 12 points here.
Parang sa basketball, no look pass ba yan?
Parang
Yan ba
ganun.
yun? Oh, Demicilio once again getting it through the blocker. A single block from Ateneo.
Demicilio, all these years, as she now scores 10 points. You followed her career, Mosey. She's graduating. All these years, she's always been, you know, behind superstars.
Yes.
But she's always been
Just
solid.
there, yeah.
Solid.
Oo, steady lang. That's why I think you trusted sa kanya ni Coach Ramiro. Ganda din eh, you can feel it. Minsan nga kahit siguro hindi siya 100%, but si Coach Ramiro will build her in. Ganun yung kataas yung trust din sa kanya.
17 puntos para sa kapitana ng Ateneo. 17 points for Eliza Valdez. And you like players like that, ano? Every team needs a player like that, Mosey.
Oh, free ball now given to Lasal.
Paron, checked by De Leon. Pagkakataon para sa Ateneo. De Leon bumawi.
Ay, alam ko na, medyo in my head, napupunta sila for a quick play.
From a block, ha?
Yes, pero tinumba ng konti. Kumbaga, nilagyan konti ng distansya to avoid the blockers on the other side ni Shia Morado.
Yeah,
That's why.
because she was coming off a block.
Yes, correct. Na nandun pa yung blockers din ng
Nandun
Lasal.
pa, oh. 9 points para kay De Leon. Demicilio.
Oh.
This time though, a little too low. Mahirap yung ganun, ano? Very, very tough.
And sayang din because walang blockers dun sa kabila.
Finals MVP. On deck. Serving. Amy Ahumiro. Back row.
Oh, and there you go. Arangala.
We are...
Getting that back row attack.
Mosey, I am in awe with the individual display by the players here. De Leon, Valdez, Galang, Paron, Makandili.
And also on the other side, ganun din. It's a total team effort rin, no? Actually, itong naglalaban ngayon, you don't have individual players that are really, although syempre may mga high scores, no? Pero you can feel that it's a complete team effort from both squads.
That's why I mentioned many names kasi from both teams. Kasi
normally tayo, minsan may one or
tulungan.
two players na nagsa-stand out. Pero ngayon,
Kaya nga sabi natin, di ba? Makatili has done her job.
yeah,
Giselle Tanas
really trying her best to get to those first balls.
13-11 for LaSalle and the aforementioned Domicilio serve.
Oh, what a save from Marado.
Galang in the middle. De Leon was there. D. Oh, and Maragueron was beaten to the spot.
Again, this happened because napabayaan na ng Ateneo yung block nila. Okay, no blocker for Kim D.
9 points for Kim D. More importantly for them, it's a 3-point lead.
Yeah, 11 fire. Not failure. Do. Remember, huh?
Okay. Let's get one, huh? Start as a receiver. Okay, listen. Follow, coverage. Yes.
Coach Oliver and Abby Maraño. Attendance here from both schools.
Blue and green.
Blue and green. 14-11 is the score. Timeout by Ateneo. Valdez puts that one away.
Valdez just nailing that one in.
She unleashed the bomb in that one, didn't she? Look at this. Perfect setup for her. And again, nakuha ni De Leon.
May blocker na nakuha si De Leon.
Valdez na naman. That's down the line and it's out.
Oh, risking it too much. Tumiknik na rin dun si Domicilio. As you see, the defense of Domicilio really closer to the line. Kaya alam na niya alam niyang labas yung bola.
15-12. Baron. What a serve. What a serve.
Halos hinapol lang talaga ni Baron yung pagkakabitaw na naman niya. A little bit low once again.
Parang alam niya na miss-hit, kahit si Coach Ramil. But good enough for a point.
Yeah.
16-12 is the score. Back inside the Mall of Asia Arena, or round 2. The rematch of LaSalle versus Ateneo is happening. Coach Ramil, the Bulaqueño, 18 years at the helm.
Tagal na din,
Kanyang partner in crime, si Coach Noel Orgulio, matagal na rin. Matagal na magkasama.
The partnership.
Ajoy with a 4-point lead. Chance ball para sa LaSalle. Galang.
Oh, Galang avoiding the blockers, but too much angle on that. Pero kanina niya pa kasi ginagawa yun and it has been working for her. Yung cross-court hits.
This receive. Chance ball for Ateneo. Egiliana sent back. Morado sa kabila naman. Sa likod niya.
And Bea De Leon once again. Through the blockers, challenging the blockers of LaSalle and getting it to go.
Trying to hang on here and stay within slipstream of LaSalle. 14 serving 16. Make that 17.
That's into the net. Ayan yung mga errors again, no? We mentioned that a while ago na yung mga masasakit lalo yung service errors. So, freebie. Sobrang libre.
Maraginot.
Oh, and Maraginot gets real estate on that one.
Yeah, like I said, the angles that Galang and Maraginot and Valdez
silang dalawa,
are
yeah.
working with, just these players.
Kala mo lalabas niya eh. Diba?
And it takes not only skill, Mosey, but confidence to attempt even, no? Galang naman, sasagot!
Galang is wala masyadong angulo, but
May power.
very powerful hit from Aragalang. LaSalle obviously wants to pull away at this point. I was gonna say that, but Aragalang giving a point to Ateneo. Kiliana also played so well in this match.
Free ball. Ahumiro. Easy over dito para sa LaSalle. Demesilio. Egiliana diving. Maraginot na naman. Macandili keeps it in play. Galang.
Oh, what a save.
Chance ball for Ateneo. What will Gia do? She picks Ahumiro.
Again going for a quick hit.
That's the play there. That's just the sensible thing to do while the other team is scrambling. And Egiliana with that save. Macandili with her version. Gano'n kaya kadalas magpamasahe yung mga libero, lalo na sila Macandili?
Banig-banig na pain reliever boom.
Banig-banig pa.
And Maraginot, again, going for an angle, but Macandili there to get that one.
Balik si Demesilio, pero nakailalim. Wait, tabla na tayo, Mosey, ha?
Oo nga.
The lead was at 4 at 1 point. Coach Ramil looking at the timeout button and asking Coach Noel to press it. So let's eavesdrop.
Step up sa loob. Hindi mo pwede ganyan. Ha? Nagsaserve yung ayos yung malaman nyo. Tayo, hindi makaserve. Saan patay lang tayo? Ano naman tayo? Tingin lang, kapit natin kung set na to. Hey, go. Step up, step up.
Dino Laurena, Jojo Estacio Neri.
Nice to see
Neri
Ma'am
Estacio.
Jojo.
Jojo Neri Estacio.
Nice to see her here.
All from ABS-CBN Sports and of course, Sports in Action HD.
Alam mo ba na si Sir Dino, galing mag-serve niya?
Oh, sa volleyball player nga yan.
Galing mag-serve niyan.
Miss Jojo Estacio naman. Huge volleyball fan.
Oh, yeah.
Watching both men's and women's. In the meantime, balik tayo sa women's at balik ang kalamangan sa LaSalle. 19, serving 18.
And that was a well-placed ball from Cindy Mesilio. Look at their goal. Sa gitna ng two defenders of Ateneo.
Mesilio, double figures, 11 points. A lot of girls, different girls scoring in bunches for both teams.
Si Sid kasi she's your silent operator inside.
Valdez scoring that one. Napag-usapan natin siya before. We talked about her, how it's easy to underestimate.
Yeah.
Girls like Sid Mesilio. Hindi
Pero
mo
pag tinignan
napapansin.
mo yung numero, every game,
Hindi mo napapansin. Nakakapansin na pala. Si Valdez, pag sinapansin mo, 19 points na. Ay!
and Maraginot throwing that away.
20 for LaSalle, 19 for Ateneo. They're gonna go. Fajardo serving. Oh! Crucial error.
Yep, returning the favor to Ateneo.
Back to back.
Whew. But a full front line for De La Salle.
16th service error for LaSalle. Sabi ko nga, Mosey, baka balikan natin yung numero na yan mamaya. Valdez,
Oh, but that was well read, Baron.
What a wall.
Yup, and that was D and
D.
Baron in front of Valdez. Mahirap nga talaga.
Baron with 15
Oh,
points.
wow.
That one off the block. Oh,
And Sid Demesilio once again getting an ace.
and gives him a 2-point lead.
More importantly,
12 points for Sid Demesilio. And LaSalle looking to extend this to a set number 5.
Win loss will tell very good นะไฟนอลเกมนะแท็กเกิล very very good นะระวังด้วย ต่อ one two three go
Demesilio with her 12th point and a service ace. Valdez unable to handle it.
right, reception error there by Valdez.
Dan, again, faulty reception here, which gives us opportunity for LaSalle. Galang, Sid was there. Fajardo, back to D.
Oh, D with the help of the net. Gets that point. LaSalle now up by 3.
Pati siya, double figures na. Mosey Gimdi with 11 points.
Yan na nga eh. It's a really team effort
I agree.
for both teams.
But more importantly, 2 points away from tying the set. Valdez in the middle. And Kim Fajardo's reaction is priceless. Parang di niya nakita dumaan yung bola.
Anong nangyari?
And Pauline Gaston is back. Let's look at this replay. And look at Fajardo. And then she comes up with a smile. It's like,
Game na ba?
dumaan na pala. Pero sila lamang ha. 23-21. Gaston is back in this match. LaSalle with a 2-point lead. Galang bumawi.
And Galang getting it through.
And gives themselves a set point here. She goes against Gaston in this one.
That's right.
Pero
Si
tinataan,
Hebea de
oh.
Leon. Off the block points.
This is compelling TV as usual. Must-see volleyball continues in UAP Season 78. And there you go. According to script.
Mika Reyes with that power tip.
Two teams that are already assured of a twice-to-beat advantage go at it toe-to-toe.
That's right. Perfect timing right there. Getting set point.
And we will see an extension. We will see what everybody wants to see. More volleyball. Set number 5 is happening here on ABS-CBN Sports and Action when we come back.